Hi, I am Pawan Kumar from Andhra Pradesh. Uh, Today I want to give some stock market investment tips where I made a model called Griffin Yogic Investment where you can build your portfolios in a profitable manner and grow your investment and make it wealthy and how you can become wealthier. So let me talk about this model, Griffin Yogic Investment. I have connected the dots between yoga and the investment. Why? Because yoga is something you have to connect your mind, body, heart, and soul. According to me, yoga is not doing for 1 hour. Yoga is not doing for just for 1 minute or just it is a process of doing every minute. For example, if I am making this video, I am doing it with my awareness. So that is called yoga. And the second thing, why I am connecting this with the investment, because everyone, one of us want to make money and want to grow. So I want to use the tool yoga for growing our investment. I have been investing into stock market from past 8 years where I have grown profitable investments and made almost all 136% of returns on ROI, return on investments. And then I will be constantly investing into IPOs, especially if you are not aware of the IPO is nothing but an initial public offer. So if you want to, stock market is not easy, okay. Making money, it needs lot of patience, understanding and dedication. And people who want to stay long in stock market, my model works for them. And again, the people who want to make it for 1 2 months, please stay away from this. And so the connecting the dots, how to connect Griffin. So let me speak about the grit. Grit plays a very important role because grit is something that you have to prepare your mind and say it to on consistent basis. For example, my grit is I want to make money consistently by investing IPOs and grow and make it wealthy. So understand the difference between wealth and profit. uh, Making profits is nothing but you'll make an investment, like for example you invest in 100 rupees, then you will take it and and again for 120 you will sell it. That is not that is making profits. But becoming wealthy is something that you have to carry it for the next generation. So how is this? It's not an easy, friends. So Griffin Logic Investment, if you want to become a Griffin investor, then follow the rules and regulations of Griffin Yogic lifestyle. It's not easy, so you have to set some rules and regulations for following this, because investing in a company and staying with it for a longer term is not a joke, and it's not an easy task to do. So my friends, I conclude this. Hope you liked my concept and Griffin Yogic Investment and become a Griffin.